Hey there, everybody, and happy Thursday. I'm Will DuPree.
And I'm Amanda Dugan. This is KXAN Live News Notes. We're going to catch you up on the big stories of the day in less than 5 minutes.
Quite a bit to talk about today, Mandy, so we're going to jump right into it. The city of Austin is hosting a public discussion today to get feedback on next year's proposed budget.
So the total proposed budget is $4.2 billion. Billion with the B here.
Wow.
So a big focus right now is how much money to give to the Austin Police Department.
City Manager Spencer Cronk is calling for $434 million for Austin Police. That's $11 million less than April's proposal.
Advocates are asking for a bigger cut than that, and we are expecting a marathon council meeting today.
Yeah, get this. According to the city, close to 400 people have signed up to talk about the city's proposed budget. Based on 2 minutes each speaker gets, today's council meeting could end around midnight.
And we'll have those updates for you tomorrow.
A coalition of Black Austinites wants city leaders to add measures to bring economic justice into this year's budget.
So the proposed budget acknowledges the disproportionate impact of public safety systems on Black and Brown Austinites.
However, this new coalition is calling for amendments to help Black businesses and infrastructure too.
Well, we reached out to the city. It told us the proposed budget is designed to address racism, adding that they, quote, are working to transform local government from the inside out, end quote.
We got some big news yesterday about Tesla coming to Texas, actually right here in Travis County.
This was huge news yesterday. As many of you know, we were kind of in a battle between Tulsa, Oklahoma, and Austin came out the winner. So overnight, Tesla posted its first job for this new plant that's going to be built in Travis County, hours after the company picked Central Texas for this new Gigafactory.
And this project will bring 5,000 new jobs to our area. The first job posting is for a vehicle readiness specialist. That's a person who would be in charge of delivery and other duties.
CEO Elon Musk confirmed construction has already begun at the site in eastern Travis County.
Wasting no time at all.
Oh.
Turning now to the pandemic, of course, the state is reporting its highest number of coronavirus-related deaths in just one day.
That's right. State health leaders say 197 people died from COVID-19 yesterday. And we are now averaging more than 130 deaths a day over the last week.
More than 4,300 people have now died in Texas since the start of the pandemic.
Let's look at these numbers locally. They're up on your screen right now. So Hays County is now reporting more active cases of coronavirus in our area than any other county.
Wow, both Hays and Travis counties have more than 3,000 each, though. Across our area, more than 9,000 people are currently infected. We are getting some new numbers and kind of the feelings about people have about how the pandemic is going and the response that our state leaders have done as well.
That's right. So a new poll found 65% of registered voters here in Texas believe that the coronavirus pandemic is out of control.
The poll from Quinnipiac University found voters are split when it comes to Governor Greg Abbott's response to the pandemic. If you look at the results right here, 47% support it, while 48% disapprove.
Wow, those are very close percentages there. And 80% of Texas voters support the governor's order requiring masks.
And finally, 53% of voters say they do not want the governor to issue another stay-at-home order. But to avoid that from happening, we all need to do those protective behaviors like wearing a mask, washing our hands, and keeping distance from people that we don't live with.
All good advice.
All right, everybody, thank you so much for watching. These are your KXAN Live News Notes. I'm Will DuPree.
And I'm Amanda Dugan. Enjoy the rest of your day.